Hi guys! So I don't know if you could tell from last video, but I was really nervous and I was super scripted. I had my camera propped on top of my laptop, so I was looking kind of at the camera, but I was really looking at the screen behind it with my text of what I had to say. So this time I'm going completely unscripted, and I think from now I'm just kind of going to go quasi-unscripted so I'm not so awkward to watch. Anyways, I don't think I'm gonna be not awkward to watch. I'm kind of an awkward person. Yeah, so this could either be really good or it could just be catastrophic. So, summer memories. So I guess I'm in the same boat as Steven though in terms of summer. And that is, I am not a big fan of summer. Primarily because it's really hot and humid, and especially where I live it's like sometimes unbearably hot and sometimes like 100% humidity. It's pretty awful. But I generally like winter and spring, that kind of time when it's a little bit on the colder side. And fall. I guess I just don't like anything but summer. Sorry to you summer people. But in terms of summer memories, my favorite summer memory would probably have to be about 2 summers ago when I went to South Korea. I'm actually adopted from South Korea, so it was really cool to go and see kind of my native culture. But the reason I actually went was to obviously go on vacation, but also to see a girl that I sponsor. And my sponsorship kind of entails writing letters to her, sending her things. But this summer I actually went to visit her, which was really cool. She's lived her whole life in an orphanage pretty much, so it was really great to see her, and maybe I'll make another video more in depth about everything I did that summer. But for me, I guess my favorite memory for going on a holiday from school would be probably like my spring break. You only get a week of school off for your spring break, but for me those have always been really fun. One spring break I went to Philadelphia to see my sister. That was a lot of fun. And then another one I went to New York with the school's orchestra, and we performed there at I think like a seaport. It was kind of like a seaport kind of deal. And then afterwards we just ran around the city seeing the classic things like the Statue of Liberty. We went to the Guggenheim Museum. Took tours of like kind of the city, like general tours, like on bus, and we had a step-on guide, and that was a lot of fun. But for me, the most fun of that trip was actually afterwards, because the orchestra was only there for 3 days. I was able to stay for 3 more days because my brother lived there. And so he was able to pick me up there, and I pretty much hung out with him, and I did a lot of really fun things. I had the most fun running around on my own, kind of. So being in New York with my brother was a lot different because I had a lot more freedom, and I was able to actually go to some place called Chelsea Market, which pretty much has a lot of food things, and I really like to cook and bake, and so it was a lot of fun for me to go there and just buy stuff. That was pretty awesome. For me, Chelsea Market was just kind of like a food lover's dream of just perusing stuff and looking at it all. Summer is not my favorite season. My favorite season would be winter. Very festive, and yeah. Anyways, I gotta go, so see ya!